Happy Friday, everyone. Well, snow's still in the forecast today, but it looks like even less than yesterday, and it looks like the decrease in snow shower activity is going to continue into the weekend. Let's start with the morning commute this morning, and it actually just looks like a few stray flurries across southern Wisconsin, so not a guarantee that you're going to see snow driving to work or school this morning, but it is a possibility. But if you do see snow, it will be very light, so no need to give yourself extra time to get to work or school today. I do think we're going to see a slight uptick in the snow shower activity as we go through the day. Very gradual, very subtle, but I do think we'll start to see a little bit more activity as we go through the day. Late morning, still talking about just isolated snow showers, and I think that'll continue to be the case even in the early afternoon. Notice significant gaps across the area. By the way, high temperatures today looks like only mid to upper 20s for most of us. Maybe right next to the lake, making it to 30 degrees. But it is not going to be feeling this warm because it's going to be windy this afternoon. Gusts around 30 miles per hour. So you got to take about 10 degrees off these temperatures. And that's really what it's going to be feeling like. So plan on it feeling like the mid to upper teens out there. Now, as far as the best chance of snow, that's looking like the late afternoon and early evening hours, a period with what we'll call scattered light to moderate snow showers. I do think the best chance, maybe the most steady snow and the fewest gaps in the activity is going to be in the northwestern part of the area. The farther south and east you live, the less likely you're going to get into this period of scattered snow showers during the late afternoon and early evening. So yes, this is the homebound commute, and it does look like a better chance of snow than what we're going to be seeing early this morning, but notice still gaps, especially if you live in the southeastern part of the area around Racine and Kenosha. Here we are at 8 o'clock, still in this period of scattered light to moderate snow showers. By the time we get to 11 o'clock, though, the later evening hours, the activity is starting to back off again, just some isolated snow showers and flurries. So what about Saturday? I think best chance for Saturday of seeing some additional snow, less than today, is going to be in the morning hours. We'll call it still isolated snow showers for Saturday morning. By the time we transition into the afternoon, though, looking like just a few leftover flurries, and for some it may already very well be that we're going to be done with the chance of snow even by the time we get into the early afternoon. And I think for everyone, the last of the flurry activity coming to an end 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. But notice still cloudy. Still looks like a cloudy day. And I tell you what, it looks even colder than today. Look at high temperatures tomorrow. We're talking low to mid 20s. Now, not quite as much wind, but still breezy. Gusts around 25 miles per hour. So another situation where you got to take about 10 degrees off the temperatures, and that's what it's going to be feeling like. Finally, I think we'll start to see the cloud cover decrease. Saturday night, we'll see cloudy skies eventually become mostly cloudy very late Saturday night. But look at low temperatures Saturday night. We're talking about mid to upper teens for most of us. But notice 8 for Oakland, 20 at the warmest in Milwaukee. And still a breezy night, gusts around 20 miles per hour. So look what it's going to be feeling like Saturday night. No snow to worry about, but bundle up if you're going out Saturday night, because everybody is going to be reaching the single digits. And I gotta mention that for the western half of the area, look how those feels like temperatures will be getting around 0 degrees and maybe even just below 0 in the northwestern part of the area. And then for Sunday, looks like a dry day, and I think our best chance at seeing some sun, mostly cloudy in the morning, but becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. But I tell you what, it looks like some reinforcing cold air coming in, and particularly in the northwestern part of the area, I do think there's a good chance that we may only top out in the upper teens around 20 degrees. We might make it to the mid-20s in the southeastern part of the area before that colder air comes in. And as this colder air mass comes in, not going to bring us any snow, but breezy conditions still. It's around 20 miles per hour. So with these temperatures in the afternoon and those gusts around 20 miles per hour, look what it's going to be feeling like a Sunday afternoon. For most of us, not feeling any warmer than the low to mid teens.